Hi guys, welcome to TutorCruncher. In today's video, we will be looking at packages. This is a brand new feature and we're very excited to release this for all of our clients. So first things first, what is a package? A package is basically a bundled offering that admins can create for their clients, and then clients can easily view them and buy them in a very cost-effective way. So in order to create a package, you need to first enable the setting in your system settings. So to do this, we'll go to System, Settings, scroll down to People and Activity. And under Activity, you have the option to use TutorCruncher packages. Now, by default, this setting will be enabled for all of our users. But if you prefer to not use packages right now, then you can just disable this setting. So you can just uncheck the checkbox and click Save. If you do want to use packages, you check the checkbox and click Save. Now, once you've done this, packages will appear under Activity right here. So if you click here, you will be able to add new packages. So I've already added a few packages here, but I will show you how we can add a new package. So to add a new package, we simply click on Add Package. Let's call our package New Package. You can also add a description for your package, and you can also use Markdown to format your description. So you can use images, links, etc. You can also set the cost of your package, and this is the total amount that the client will pay, inclusive of all taxes. So let's say we want the client to pay £200 for this package. You can also add a bonus credit for this package. So basically, for example, your client has paid £200 for this package and you want to give them an extra credit of, let's say, £20 or £30, then you can add this as bonus credit to this package, and this credit will be automatically added to your client's account balance, and it can be used for future lessons. So let's say we want to add a bonus credit of 20, right? We can also set an icon for this package. So you can find a list of icons here. And basically, this icon will be displayed on your package. So what you need to do is simply copy paste this name right here into the icon field. So let's see what we can do here. Let's say we want to use the Wi-Fi icon for our package. So we just simply copy paste Wi-Fi on here. We can also set the icon color. So let's say we want to make it orange. And then the next thing that you can do is set the sort index for your package. So basically, the sort index decides the order of your packages. So for example, we've got a few packages here. We've got the bronze package, silver, gold, diamond, platinum, and all of these packages will have a certain sort index value. So the higher the sort index value, the higher up the package will be. So let's say we set a sort index value of 60 here for this package, and all of our other packages have sort index values of 1, 2, 10, 50. So this has the highest sort index value. So this means this package will be at the very top. It will be displayed at the very top for yourselves as admins and also for your clients, right? So once you've added all this information, just make sure that your package is active, and then you can click Create. And that's it. Your package has been created with the icon and everything. So it will be displayed like this for you. Now let's see how your packages will be displayed on your client side. So let's switch to your client's view. Now clients can view packages through the Packages tab. And here, all of these packages that you've created for your client will be shown to them. So as you can see, we've got the bronze, silver, gold, diamond, platinum, and the newest package that you created. Now let's see how your clients can buy packages. So let's say your client wants to buy the gold package, right? So they simply click on Buy Now, and they're taken to the payments page. Here they can pay through an existing card or add a new card. And once they've done that, they just click on Pay. And that's it. Payment has been made successfully. And what happens now is a credit request is automatically generated and processed for your client. And this package has been added to their profile. So the credit request can be seen on their billing tab. So if you go to billing, credit request, the latest credit request is for the package. So if you look here, we've got the gold package that has been bought by the client. And an important thing to note is obviously the amount has been taken from their card, but this package also has bonus credit on it. So there's a bonus credit of £30 that needs to be added to your client's account. And please note that this will be automatically added to their account. If you want to double check that, you just simply go to your admin view, and from here you can go to your client's account. So we go to people, clients, and we go to Billie Holiday's account. And under accounting, you will see that the credit has been added to their account. Now, another important thing to note is that buying a package will not automatically create a job for your client. You would have to create a job for them manually by navigating to activity, jobs, and creating a job for them here once they've bought the package. Now, you can also see what packages have been bought by your clients. And there are two ways of doing this. First, you can go to accounting, raise credit requests, and you can filter your packages out here. Now, the second way is also really interesting. If you go to your dashboard, you will be able to see all the packages that have been purchased here. Now, how do you create this? Well, you just simply go to your configure dashboard setting. And if you go here, you can add a custom panel and you can call it, let's say, package purchases. And the action would be client has purchased a package. And when you save this, this will then show up on your dashboard like this.